back to Team Spirits, and today I will be showing you how to make two weapons. One is a crossbow and another is a classic rubber band shooter. Paper shooter, not rubber band. So first let's start with the crossbow. For the crossbow you will need 4 pencils, a cap with the front cut out like this, 2 rubber bands and few score sticks and a hot glue or another mean to stick. So first what you're going to do is take 2 of your pencils and glue it together using hot glue or any of your glue. So after it's stuck, it will look like this. We wanted to conserve time and it has to dry, so we stuck it before itself. So it will look like this. Okay. So next step is to take any rubber band. So I'm using this rubber band. Keep your 2 pairs of pencils in a cross like this. Take your rubber band and put it through one and another to keep it like this. Then what you're going to do is take it and twist it. So put it on, twist it, then take it past 3 tips like that. So you have an X. Then take that tip again, twist it and go past 2 pencils. Then twist it and go past 3. When you're done, you should look like this. The next step is to take the cap with a hole in the front. Take it, and what you have to do is put it through this like that. I think we have to use the hot glue to stick it securely. That's fine. No, so it will not go. Just can you please? Alright, so instead let's just take it with hot glue because I don't think this is perfect. So we're going to put the hot glue right there. Then take the cap and stick it. Then I'm going to take this and kind of like secure it. This looks good. So we're going to let this to dry. So use one of your skewers to check if it's dried. It's not yet dried because it's taken with a skewer. So what are these skewers even here for? This is why. These skewers will be used as bullets. It will be put through the cap, will be stretched and will go through the cap. So the cap will act like some kind of aim. Alright, so the next step is to take a rubber band. I think you have to check whether it's dried or it's clear. Yeah, it's dry. So then take your rubber band and put it through 2 pencils. Take it around and put it over here like this. Keep it like this. Now your thing is like just ready. So you can just take it, put it through. I think we should shoot it on something. Okay. So just take it, fill it, and all you have to do is release it. Okay, can you please wait? So there's some technical difficulty. So we are going to use the crossbow and shoot on the thermocol. That was a miss. Anyways, this thing, if it hits something, it'll like poke right through it. So let's try once more. Once more, come on. So load it. it here. Aim and shoot. So as you can see, it's stuck, and the other side is gone through. No, it's not powerful enough. But it is actually more powerful. It can go through it. So that is. So yeah, that's it. So okay, let's move on to the next one. So the next one is made out of rubber bands. So for this one, you'll need some paper and some rubber bands. I'm using 5 rubber bands. So what you're going to do with the odd number, because now you're going to take two of rubber bands and put a rubber band through another rubber band, just like that. Now you're going to take one side of that rubber band and put it through other side and pull it and tighten it so that both the rubber bands are like tied in a knot. So I'm going to do that again. Take another rubber band. So put the rubber band through the other rubber band. Put that one piece of it. Oh God. Just take another one. So put it through. Put it through that and pull it to tighten it. So as you can see, I'll just stop with 3 rubber bands for now. Now next what you're going to do is take your paper. So take your paper and fold it in half, and as he folds, he'll just say the more rubber bands you add, the more powerful it becomes. And same way, if the paper is thick and if we fold it more, it will become stronger. So the thermocol you saw was all broken up by this. We had already tried it, and this is what happened. It all broke. So I'm gonna fold this in half, and again, this is the most hardest. So let's test it out. But before that, can you please add the other 2 rubber bands? Nah, it's fine. Nah, it's okay. So let's just go again. So this thermocol you're seeing here is all broken up by the weapon we are making now. So it's like really simple to handle. Put the rubber band through your index and your thumb and take your piece of paper and put it through and hold it like that and then aim it and shoot it. So let's try once more. What? Okay, let's do it last time. So you can see that it's very fast, but as we add more rubber bands, it gets powerful. Can I just add the 2 rubber bands? Nah, it's okay. So I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna do magic. It's gonna come out of nowhere. Alright. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to our YouTube channel. Thumbs up. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't give thumbs down. Boo hoo hoo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to Team Spirits.